catch 'em all.
Alright, ladies and gents, welcome back to part 10 of Space Chicken. So in this video, what we have to do is we need to be able to win the game. We need to be able to beat the boss, have him disappear, you know, have the you win card come up, and then maybe have the game restart after clicking on the you win card. Okay? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go up to the plus. You're going to type in under artwork, SC space. And we're going to bring in a bomb because he needs to be able to drop bombs. That's one of the first things we're going to do. You're going to bring in the You Win card. And then we're going to bring in, I think that's it. Alright, so we don't need anything else just yet. So let's have him drop bombs. As far as the bomb goes, go to Appearance, turn Solid off. We're going to make this size 0.75. Whoops. Whoops. Oh, come on. 0.75. You gotta put that 0 in there, otherwise it acts funky. Alright, so we got our bomb here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to, let's see, I want to just make sure that I'm on the correct one here. Alright, here we go. Alright, so let's go to our coding. Let's get to the bottom. Restart game, shoot lasers. Okay, add new event. So what's going to happen here is the boss is going to have an appearance hidden no. Boss drops bombs. 1.5. Appearance hidden no. Why do we want that? Boss drops bombs. Sorry, I wrote down that his appearance should be hidden. Oh, we already did that. Boss drops bombs. He should already be showing up because the boss shows up. Boss appearance set hidden no, so we don't need that one, so I don't know why I had that in there. So anyways, you're going to go to System, and you're going to go to Runtime, Repeat Every, Set Manual, and let's go with 1.5, okay? And what that's going to mean is after 1.5 seconds, the boss is going to clone object. He's going to clone a bomb, okay? So then we're going to hit done, and we're going to go back through and see if he starts dropping bombs. Oh, my bomb's on the screen. 1.5 seconds, it should be... Maybe that was why he was hidden. So when... Okay, yeah. So this one, we're going to have to make... So I'll explain it in a second. System runtime, repeat every, set manual 1.5. This one should say boss appearance hidden no. So I wasn't realizing that it's saying when his appearance is, you know, when he's there, every 1.5 seconds he'll drop a bomb. That's why that one was important. Okay, so let's go back in, and we don't see bombs right now. That's why we were seeing the bombs. Okay, we got 3. The boss is there. Okay, so we forgot something. So now on this, we have to go to a behavior, and we got to add a behavior of a bullet behavior in the down direction, 270. Let's see if I can get 270. And about 2.5, let's say. Alright, so that's going to give him a down direction movement, or the bomb a down direction movement. So let's hit play again. By the way, this is a great reason to have your game scaled down to an easy, you know, you only have to get 3 before the boss comes out. But your finishing touches, maybe you want to make that like 10. Alright, so now he's shooting out bombs. We just can't get hurt by them, okay? Alright, so that's good. Now, go back into programming, and we have, we want to be able to destroy the fox, okay? So that's our next one. Alright, so we'll call this one Destroy Fox. This one was Drop Bombs. And under Destroy Fox, what you're going to do is when the life meter is less than 1, which covers like 0 and negatives, and that way there's no accidents. You know, if you shot him 3 times in a row and suddenly he went to -2, technically that wouldn't be 0. It would be, you know, less than 1 covers that. Okay? The fox is going to appearance set hidden yes. Okay, that's after we destroy him. And so when his life meter is less than 1, we destroy him. Okay, and the boss, so we forgot something. Let's go back out. On the boss, well, maybe we did do it. Let's see. Effects, fireworks. Okay, so we put that on there. Alright, so let's go back down. It's kind of a pain to get through this list. So the fox, appearance set hidden no. Okay. The fox is going to do the fireworks effect, set active yes. Okay. And then another end is we need the chicken to go away. So we're going to do chicken, appearance set hidden no. And then there's another end. This is a long one. We need the game to stop at this point when you win. So we need to do the Boolean, which if you remember is just on or off. Set value, we need to set this to 0, which is off. So the game will eventually or essentially stop at that point because it'll stop cloning objects and you know, whatever else. And then the last one is the you win card is going to position, set manual 0 0. It's going to come up front. Okay, and then if you want, real quick, why don't we just add restart game again after, let's say after win. Alright, so choose an object. When the you win card senses a touchdown, let's see, what do we want to do? We want to do system restart scene. Alright, so let's try that out and see what we get. Alright, let's collect 3. Alright. So I just wasted all 3. Now that speed of those bombs is pretty fast. That makes it pretty hard. But we can't get hurt by that yet anyways. I need 1 more. 3. So you win, fireworks, everything stops. Click on the card, scene starts again. Perfect. Alright, so now back into the coding again. Okay, close this one. Add new one. So let's see, what else didn't we do yet? Boss drops bombs. Game over. So we need to be hurt by the bombs. Let's see if we can add this into boss drops bombs here. So when the boss drops, when he's not hidden, every 1.5 seconds he drops the bomb, and every 1.5 he drops the bomb, and nah, I think we got to do another one. All right, so when anything from, okay, so we got to go back out for a second. On the bomb, we need to put that in a class. So a bomb class, create new class, bombs. And while I'm out here, I might as well change how fast he's moving. Behavior, let's back that down a little bit, maybe 1.5. Okay, back into coding. Alright. I guess technically this is not coding, it's more programming. But you know what I mean. So bombs hurt. Okay. So when the chicken senses a collision with something from the bombs class, the chicken let's see, the chicken senses bomb. We should just have the game over card here. Game over. Oh, you know what? I know what I did. Hang on, delete this one. We want to go up to the game over one. Sometimes you got to edit other things that you've already done. Game over. So we already have these 3 or 4 or 5 in here. And let's read what we have so far. When the chicken touches an asteroid, game over, card goes to 0, 0, chicken goes away, game stops, all in the MO class, appearance set hidden to no. Okay, so we got to add a couple things here. So when the chicken, let's do an and here, when the chicken senses a collision with the bombs class, then it would also be game over. And when, we got to add another one, when the chicken senses a collision with the boss master, game over, Boolean stops. Alright, let's try that. This might be it. Besides like sounds and stuff, which we're going to do in the next video. Woo! So we want to know if we can get hurt by the bombs. Okay, so we can't. So we got to fix that. What about, can we get hurt by... No, why didn't that work? Alright, let's back out. Game over. When the chicken senses a touch from the asteroid, and, or, sorry, when the chicken senses a collision from the bombs, or when he senses a collision from the fox. That might have been what it was. Let's try that. Game over because he came out right where I was. Well, we know that one works. Okay. Let's see if we can get hurt by a bomb. So I don't want to be so high because that guy comes out right there. Bomb. Boom. Game over. Everything stops. Oh no, so he's got to stop dropping bombs too. So we got to stop that and we got to make him go away. Alright, so let's go back in. Sorry, this is a longer video. Let's see. Do card to the center. Chicken appearance. Chicken appearance. MO goes away. And the fox... clone, remove clone? No. Fox. Hang on one sec, guys. Let me pause and figure this out. Alright, so I like where we're at. I don't think there's any problem. The only thing that's happening, for whatever reason in my programming, is that once the bomb hits you, you know, you die and you get a game over screen, and you can click that game over screen to restart the game, but the boss keeps flying around and dropping bombs. So technically you don't really need to have that turned off, but you know, mess around in your coding and just see, because I feel like I have the code right. I just feel like something is stopping it from working, and I've noticed that I have some issues going back and forth from work to home with my file, in that things are missing, or you'll have a code in there that doesn't work. Like, for instance, earlier I had a score label that suddenly wasn't counting up, you know, where the 0 is on the screen up there. It wasn't going 1, 2, 3 anymore, just because I came to work from home. So, you know, I'm kind of confident that that's going to work for you guys the way that we did it. All right. So this is the second to last video. The next one we're going to do some sounds and stuff, and then the series will be over. All right. So I appreciate you guys listening and watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All right. Thanks. Gotta catch 'em all.